how the Go&Go automatic bike wash handle mud and dirt. Let's be honest, if you run a motorbike wash business, you know the real nightmare is not the clean city bikes that roll in every morning. The real challenge is the mud, the dirt, the thick layers of red clay, sticky soil, and stubborn brim that cling to bike after rain or off-road ride. Those bikes don't just take more time to clean, they eat up your staff energy, slow down your workflow, and worst of all, they frustrate your customer. Nobody wants to wait 30, even 40 minutes for a single wash. And for you, every minute lost means money slipping through your finger. But what if I told you that is the faster, and more consistent way to handle mud and dirt? This is where the Go&Go automatic bike wash machine steps in. Unlike traditional hand washings, which depending on manpower and effort, this machine is designed with 26 high-pressure water nozzles, 4 rotating side brushes, and 4 bottom brushes that reach every hidden angle of the motorbike. The mud under the fender, the sticky dirt around the wheel, the stubborn rim near the chain, nothing escapes. In normal city conditions, the machine washes a bike in just about 2 minutes. But here is the real game changer. When a bike comes in covered in mud, thick dirt, or clay, the Go&Go system adjusts. It switches to a deeper wash cycle of around 4 minutes, ensuring a spotless finish without manual scrubbing. That means no extra labor cost, no wasted time, and no angry customer complaining about dirty spot left behind. Now picture this, you own a bike wash shop in a high traffic area. On a rainy day, dozens of muddy rides roll in. Your competitor with hand wash, you are overloaded, slow, and their customer will wait angry. But you, with the Go&Go automatic bike wash, you keep serving by non-stop. Each wash is fast, consistent, and professional. Customers see their merged bike come out sparkling clean in just minutes, and they are impressed. They come back, they tell their friends, they post about it online. And for you as the owner, the number makes sense. The operating cost just about 3 cents per pipe for electricity, water, and chemical. The selling price anywhere from $1 to $2 per wash, depending on your market. That is a huge profit margin. Even better, because the machine handles the toughest job, you don't need to hire extra worker or worry about training new staff. The machine does the heavy lifting, literally washing away the mud that usually drains your time and money. This is not just about cleaning, it is about scalability. With Go&Go, your shops can wash 3, 4, even 5 times more bikes a day compared to manual washing. That means more customer service, more revenue earned, and a faster return on investment. In fact, most of our partners cover their investment in less than a year. So here is the truth. Mud and dirt don't have to be your enemy. They can actually be your opportunity if you have the right tool. The Go&Go automatic bike wash machine turns the biggest headache into your biggest advantage. Your shop becomes to the go destination when the weather turns bad or when riders come back from off-road adventures. So if you are tired of slow, exhausting, and inconsistent wash, it's time to level up. Don't let mud slow your business down. Let's Go speed it up. Click the link below, watch the machine in action, and see for yourself how Go&Go handles mud and dirt better than anything else on the market. Your customer deserves speed and quality, and your business deserves growth. With Go&Go, you can have both.